Hello everyone. Venturous Blackheart, back with another episode of A Wolf in Sheep's Clothing. Last time, we were detained by the police for questioning along with Pierre and Cosette about the death of Pascal. Our alibi wasn't very convincing, and apparently we were supposedly going to get called in for more questioning. However, Pierre, she came across Pierre and Cosette, and Pierre was pushing it, honestly. Pushing it about Mercredi being the murderer, of which we know she is, and then like Cosette telling him to like stop. They look like kids, sorry, and well now she pretty much snapped, and now I have to choose who do I kill, or cute little bunny GF Cosette, or the annoying little punk Pierre, who's the primary one who takes us off. I see two possible outcomes here. We kill Cosette, we blow our cover and get arrested. We try to kill Pierre, Pierre kills us, and he gets arrested. Or we kill him, we blow our cover, and we still get arrested. I don't want to hurt the bunny. I don't want to hurt Cosette. I don't know what she'll think if we do succeed in killing Pierre. I hope this is just metaphorical and not literal, or that she's gonna do it sometime later where nobody's watching, because technically we are still in the police station. Yeah, not the best place for that. Like, I thought I was a bit of a short fuse, but nope. Mercredi's even more short fuse than I am. I've decided, like, it's been like all week deciding, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Is there a way to, like, avoid this? I wish there was, like, an option, like refrain or, like, cool off or something, like, to ignore them. But no, we gotta go for the kill. Because technically if we don't do anything, the police is still suspicious of Pierre. He's the wolf. He's the one that looks like a wolf. He's a pure-blooded wolf. Nobody knows, except for Cosette, that Mercredi is part wolf. Oh man. We're about to find out which of my theories is right. So here we go. I jump on his shoulders, grabbing his hair with my left hand while I dug my right hand into his eye. That is the softest part of any life form. So yeah, even a herbivore could pull that off. If thy right eye offends thee, pluck it out and cast it from thee. Sounds like you would read something in some old book, but I feel like I've heard that before. I felt him claw at my legs in attempts to throw me off, but his fighting and resistance only made me dig my fingers in deeper. I could hear all the meat mushing around in his eye socket as I wiggle my diggy around in the as I as I wiggled my my digits around. Okay. About that time, I feel two arms grab me by my waist and pull me off of him. I watch as he holds his eye socket. Various people in the office rushing to help him and call somebody. I turn around and see Officer Bouvier. Miss Moore, it was you, wasn't it? You're that fucking stupid, huh? Of course it was me. It was. It always has been. I killed Anna. I killed Pascal. And I would happily killed more. Mercredi more. I heard metal clinking before an ice cold sensation was felt around my wrist, followed by a clink. You're under arrest for the murder of Anna Brace Boys, Jacques Duport, and the attempted murder of Pierre Cavalier. Understood. I knew that would blow my cover. Like, McCurdy is hella strong. I'm curious what would have happened if I would have gone for the rabbit, though, for a cute little Cosette. It's been 10 years since I was put under arrest. Almost to the exact date. Whoa, she looks like trash. Tracy still wear a red dress in prison, though. It's September 8th, Wednesday, or in other words, Mercredi. I heard keys jiggling before my cell door opened. Good to see you again. Please, don't act like we're friends. Oh, but we are friends, aren't we? We were before you killed people. That face looks familiar. Maxime. I think that was one of the side characters at some point. I can't remember right now. Right, but of course, I watch as he slowly enters my cell and puts cuffs around my wrist. Now, before I take you to die. Oh, a death sentence. Yes, your father sent in a letter today. He wanted to make sure you got it. Papa, he really blames himself for all of this. Dear Marfulay, today is the day you get punished for what you've done. I'm not sure what I've done wrong, but I'm sorry. I feel like this is all my fault, and I apologize if anything I did drove you to this point. I won't be there today. I can't. A little girl died in front of my eyes. But please know that I love you. No matter what you do, you're still my daughter. First and foremost. I hope your afterlife is just everything you want and more. And hey, put in a good word in for me, okay? I hope we end up in the same place so I can make up for how bad of a father I must have been. I love you. Goodbye, my Agnelov. Oh man, that actually makes me sad. He was a great father. Oh man, what seriously drove her to that? Like, might have been like that whole being a hybrid thing, not being able to control some instincts because of that. I don't know. It's no one's fault but mine. I know that now. I just wish I could tell him this. Is there something you want me to rally back to him after your passing? I'm not sure. Just make sure he knows it's not his fault. I had no control over what I did, but ultimately it was my body that committed these actions. He's a wonderful father. He deserves a better child than this. Thank you, Maxine. You know, Cosette never got over you. What? She still likes you, even after all these years. Like a lover? In a strange way, yes. All these promises about being my friend forever. I guess she's really keeping that until the very end, huh? Wait, how come she never tries to contact me? You scare her. And I can't say I blame her. You hurt Pierre really bad when you got arrested. He lost his eye. God, tell them both I'm sorry. I lost all control that day. As much as I hate it, my sister forgives you. I'll remember now. That's Cosette's brother. The little brother. Not the one with the frog in his mouth, the other one. The one who let him have the frog in his mouth. What? She forgives you for everything you've done. I'm just trying to convince myself it's her weird way of grieving. But deep down I know it's just because she doesn't have it in her to hate you. She still has all the pictures of you two. Borderline obsessed with them at this point. Really now. It's not funny, Mercredi. It is. It's ironic how I went from being so obsessed with her to... Well, you're probably lying. It doesn't matter. Regardless, you know what today is, right? Yes, I do. Alright. And you're sure you're ready? Yes, I am. Alright. Maxine straps me down to the chair. It's strange to think where I am right now. All my actions, all my words, all my thoughts. That's what landed me here. I've never been to a prison before. It's so scary in here. Oh, Cosette. Oh, she's looking good. And to think my little brother works in a place like this. I almost never worked in a place like this recently. Cosette, are you alright? I'd say yes. I'll be okay. Don't lie. She was my childhood friend. I know she did bad things, but I'll miss her. You miss a version of her she let you see. Yeah, you're right. As I walk into the room, I see Mercredi strapped down. The helmet is already on her head. She waves a hand up, smiling at me. It's good to see you, Cosette. Don't fucking talk to her. Okay. I missed you too, Pierre. Right. Mercredi Mort, do you have any final words? Yes, I do. It's rather long, though. Well, we have nothing but time. Alright. I lived all my life as a hybrid. Society as a whole accepts animals who are mixed with two herbivores or two carnivores, but an animal who's derived from both, that's just an abomination. My actions are horrible, yes, but I am not this way because of who I am. At the end of the day, isn't it society's fault that I'm the way that I am? I had to live my whole life in hiding, and my identity was only outed because I am a criminal. If you all found out before I did unspeakable action, would you care? Would you still find me repulsive the way you do now? I think you all would still be just as disgusted. Well, anyways, Cosette, it was all for you. It always was. And Maxine, please check on my father every now and then. Right. Maxine goes to pull the lever. I immediately close my eyes as tightly as I can. I don't want to see what happens. Do I open my eyes? I'd say yes. Oh my god. Jesus fucking Christ, I now regret it. Cosette? What? Are you alright? Obviously, I'm not alright. What's wrong? I just... I say as I walk out of the room. I knew she was going to die, but I didn't know it would be so gruesome. And even though I thought she was missing her eyes, I felt like she was staring right through me. Cosette! Pierre, don't run off from me in a place like this, alright? I'm sorry, I didn't expect that to be so horrific. Yeah, that. Well, that's just how justice is. It's an eye for an eye. She got what she deserved. Did she? Did she really? What? Did she really deserve something as horrible as that? Do you not remember what she did to Pascal or Anna? Or hell, why I have to wear this damned eye patch? She was more than her actions. She was a dumb teenager. You think murder is simply childhood stupidity? For her, it was. She couldn't control what she did. She admitted that. She's manipulating you. She's not that evil, Pierre. Pascal was my friend too, I get it. You don't get it. He was more than... Well, I wanted him to be more than that. I just lost Mercredi. I knew both of them for way longer than you did. How do you think I feel, Pierre? I get how frustrating it is, but you can learn to forgive people. You can learn to see past someone's issues. Murder isn't just some negative personality trait, Cosette. I'm not an idiot, I know that. Do you? Do you really? We're going home. Thank you for being here, Pierre. Well, we both lost a friend and a lover. We're two sides of the same coin, I suppose. Yeah, sadly. Wait, lover? Does that mean he had feelings for Pascal? Oh, so he's gay. I didn't know that. Oh, okay. Do you want coffee or anything? Sure, I'd take a black cup of coffee. Ew, you like your coffee black? Is that really such an issue? No, I'm sorry. I start making him a cup of coffee by using a machine we have for it. Thank you. Of course. I've been thinking. About what? I want to protect people. Like you and Pascal. I don't know if you want to do the same, but What if we were police officers? I stare at him blankly. Pierre, what? We could stop people from getting hurt. We could stop people like Mercredi. Pierre, I say as I place his coffee on the table. I'm not meant for anything like that. What if you were more like a detective? Pierre, you're not making any sense. You probably right. I'm sorry. He looks so upset. I didn't agree to his plan. Fine, I'll do it. Just as long as you promise you'll do the fighting and I'll never get hurt. I promise. Pinky promise? Yes, Pinky promise. Alright, excuse me, there was my voice. Alright then, it's just a matter of time. Thank you, Cosette. You're welcome, Pierre. Wow! Okay. That was unexpected. And I think that's where it ends, because it just stays like that. Okay, now it went back. I kind of saw that coming, but I did not expect the death sentence. I'm speechless. I don't know what to think. This is honest. Congratulations to the writer. Holy hell, this is good. I really like this story. I really liked it. I really like this game. Now, I want to know, what would have happened if I went for Cosette? Let's load it up and see. What would have happened if I went for Cosette? I don't know if there's any other ending to this. Like, I'm gonna have to probably look it up, and I'm thinking that there's like probably 2 endings. I'm going to look it up and see if there's a possible 3rd ending. Excuse me, third. But first, let's see what one I'm pretty sure I know we can get. Doing the one I didn't want to do. I got the ending I thought we would get, like, the kind of side comedy, since if we overpower him, yeah, we were pretty much screwed. But what happens if we do this? I don't see Cosette as a detective. I don't see her as a police officer. She's just so kind and shit. I'm gonna hate myself for this, probably. Here we go. With barely any thought, I pin Cosette down. She immediately goes into a nosebleed, but the scent of blood just drove me even more insane. Cosette, I love seeing you like this. Mercredi, you're scaring me. Cosette, that just turns me on even more. Okay, turns you on? Mary, this better be some sort of weird joke. It's not a fucking joke, Cosette. I've been wanting to taste you for so long now. Please, just let me taste you. As soon as I say that, I feel someone grab the back of my shirt and lift me up. Miss Mort, it was you, wasn't it? I'm sorry, sir. What? That was different. She said she was sorry. It was me. I killed Anna Pascal, and I even just tried to Cosette just now. Mercredi more. And back to this. You're under arrest for murder of Anna Brinspois Jacques Dupont and the attempt of murder of Cosette de Blanc. Understood. Now, what is the ending going to be like? This is still the same. We were before you killed people. Right, but of course. Okay, yes, that was there from a no. Okay. The letters still the same. It's not his fault. Now this is where I think might be different. You know, Cosette never got over you. What? Wait, what? What? What do you mean she never got over? Okay, so none of us changed? Okay, wait. You hurt her really bad. When you got arrested, she still has a scar on her neck. Even some on her arms. Oh, we actually... Oh, I did not expect that one. God, tell her I'm sorry. I lost all control that day. As much as I hated, she forgives. Okay, she still forgives us. This much hasn't changed. Still the same. They did not add the scars onto the arses. I'm kind of hoping to see like maybe there's something different, but I guess not. This time I'm gonna say no. She was my best friend, Pierre. Of course I'm not okay. As much is still the same. He's sensitive because he didn't have a patch on his eye. Okay, everything's still the same. The whole thing about society, considering hybrids of herbivores and carnivores abominations, which, yeah, that could easily affect a person in this kind of world. It would affect a child psychologically, like, drastically. Like, what are they meant to think or feel if people are going to treat them like abominations in the end? Yeah, having to live in hiding just like that part, just like skipped over because just repeated, like that would damage anyone psychologically. It's a better perception about what racism is like nowadays. Like, there are still people who like are heavily against interracial relationships and like they can screw up with someone's mind. Now this part I'll make her keep her eyes closed this time though. I shut my eyes as tightly as I can. Everyone gasps and I feel Pierre immediately escort me out of the room. Pierre, what happened? Something you don't deserve to see. What? It was some pretty gruesome stuff. Don't worry about it. Let's go home. Okay. We spare her from the gruesome view on this one. Wait, this is different. I'm not quite sure of where I am. It feels so disorienting here. Where here is? I didn't expect this. Mama? Mercredi? Is that really you? You know me. No, I don't. But it's looks like but it's like looking into a mirror. I was the one who chose your name, so I assume you go by that, right? Yes, I am Mercredi. That's good to see you here. I always hoped my child would end up in this place. Really? Of course. She sits down and pats her legs. Why am I crying? Mercredi, are you alright? I'm not sure. Oh, honey. She runs her fingers through my hair. I never thought my mom would be younger than me. Well, I died when I was giving birth to you. I suppose your spirit is just stuck in whatever age you died at. I'm sort of glad I died so young. I'm one of the hottest angels here. Mama, that's just weird. It is. I see you're just as light-hearted as your father. Papa, oh God, I'm going to miss him. He'll be here soon, I promise. Okay, how do you know? Yeah, how? Well, I don't. I'm just trying to comfort you. Thank you, I appreciate it. Why don't you tell me about your life? Oh God, there's so much to tell and she's not gonna like it. I was born where I had to pretend and lie to climb to the top. I fell in love and ruined it. I killed people. And I was electrocuted to death. That's eventful. You're telling me. It's so strange. I can feel her and touch her. Is this reality? Is this my infinity? What about your life? I don't know much about you. Well, I was an only child. I spent what little of life I had partying, sinning, and just being a horrible person. Me too, Mama. You look like you've been through hell. Gee, thanks. You're still a priestess daughter, I could have asked for. What? The prettiest star. I mean, you're still the prettiest daughter I could have asked for. Mama. It's okay. Everything's okay, alright? It's not. I was a horrible child. I'm such a disappointment to you and Papa. You're not a disappointment to me. I'm proud of you. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay, Mercredi. You're safe here. I'm here with you. Where is here? Oh, yeah. They are in hell, technically speaking. And that's probably her purgatory. I did not expect this ending by choosing like that route. Okay. Again, I'm speechless. Yeah, clearly, her father's not gonna end up down there. Like, she's pretty much even an illusion of heaven, but she's literally in hell. Oh man. I I don't know what to say. I gotta find another game like this, honestly. I'm gonna look into this dev, what else this dev made, if he's made anything yet, but I love this game. No, excuse me. Again, love the writing, love the story, I love the characters. A lot of great WTF's moments. Oh my god. Okay. I'm still not trying to process what happened. I am still. I did still hope, like, if what would have happened, she would have like kept her cool. If she would have like tried to take control, or if there's a way to get on that option. I'm gonna look into it. And, I don't know. Probably edit it in. I don't know. So if I didn't edit it in because I didn't find anything. So I hope you. Okay, for those that like visuals, mysteries, and are okay with like gruesome and like everything that this game pretty much like abuse and like if you can okay with all that, I highly recommend this game. The story was good. I love the writing. I love the whole thing. A good choice of colors. I red with whites, blacks, and grays. That worked great. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any game I would like to try out, please leave that down in the comments below. And I'm sure gonna have a look at it and probably add it to my list of games. Right now I've been going through got a few ideas right now. So I'm been Victoria's Blackheart, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!